I'm going to go ahead and cut to the chase. I'm not going to waste your time with the crazy pre-frame trying to model your mind to be able to, anticipate what I'm about to say. I'm just going to go ahead and cut straight to the chase. If you're an individual who's either a newbie, an amateur, just anyone in the cold email space, demand generation space, and you want to basically get the best results that the market can basically give to you in terms of the best clients, response rates, and all that kind of stuff, there's really one simple thing you need to understand. One simple first principles or zeroth principle you need to really come to an understanding of. Just understand, first of all, I'm going to show you my results. That way you don't just think I'm selling you bullshit, because a lot of people, I understand, come in here and they just say stuff. So you can see this is a response I just got today. Today's 29th. There's another one over here just today. Interesting. Okay. This is a couple more over here. Give me a call. This is actually a CEO of a company. They do about a couple of hundreds, if I'm not mistaken, millions of dollars, basically. So I know what I'm talking about. Okay. Because I'm doing it personally. I'm doing cold emails myself. It's really one simple thing. People try to make it of course, the DKIM, you need to get there's a lot of landmines when it comes to cold emails. And I'll get into that in a couple. But there's really one truth you need to understand when it comes to cold emails. Nothing in life can be learned without feedback. Okay? Feedback. Yes, you can learn through osmosis, being close to people, but that's feedback. Because they learn through feedback. And you're seeing them, you're taking it, because they learn from their feedback. Feedback equals growth. Okay? You cannot get any results. You cannot. SpaceX didn't go to the moon or space without feedback. Okay? So it's a simple process. Don't let anybody come here and try to sell you on some $5,000 course or whatever the hell it is. It's a simple process. You could do it tonight. You could do it right now. Okay? You need to first of all have a hypothesis. So let's say I'm gonna assume you don't even know what your market is gonna be. Identify a market that has high transaction sizes. So this could be maybe medical clinics. That's what I'm targeting right now. This is a new market that I'm actually entering within right now, literally. So they have high transaction sizes, and if I can get them those kind of transaction sizes and make a percentage of that transaction size, then that's great. All I need to do is, so for you, for example, all you need to do is basically find a market, hypothesize, think about a market that's growing, has high transaction sizes, and now you can provide a lot of those similar transaction sizes to them for a commission, right? Because if their transaction sizes is $100,000 and you can make 25% of that $100,000 that you bring to them, for every client to you every single month can be worth $25,000 instead of $2,500, which is, really not even going to pay your rent. So you need to first of all come with a hypothesis, right? And then you experiment the hypothesis. That's exactly what I'm doing right now. Literally Monday, I was hypothesizing on an audience. I said, okay, we're going to go in the healthcare sector. Okay, the healthcare sector, want to go ahead and choose a segment within the healthcare sector, a vertical actually, and the vertical was health technology. Okay, within health technology, we have health tech, we have medical devices. I'm not even aware of all the segments, by the way, because I haven't wasted my time to even try to dig into it yet, because the thing hasn't even been validated yet. Why am I going to waste my time to do all this kind of research? So I hypothesized a market that has high transaction sizes. I'm experimenting right now, and as you can see, I'm getting results, right? I'm getting results. So far, I have like about 4 to 5 positive responses, right? From doing 500 emails from just yesterday and today. The campaigns were literally launched yesterday. I have 4 positive responses so far, 4 CEOs interested, okay? And now I'm going to take that feedback, and I'm going to iterate. I'm going to do it at an accelerated speed, and that's how I'm going to go ahead and have the best cold email campaigns. That's it. And if you can pay someone to do it for you, they're gonna do the same process. Or you can pay someone who's already has done it, but guess what? They already went through the process of feedback. So yeah, you can pay for the speed, of course. That's obviously what you would pay for if you're gonna hire someone like me or someone that's gonna sell your course or something like that. That's what they're gonna pay you for. They're gonna pay you for the time that they use to get the feedback iterated upon. That's what you're gonna pay for the speed. So of course you can pay someone to speed up that learning growth, that learning curve, whatever the hell they call it. It's a process. If you're an agency of your own, if you pay somebody right now, this is what they're gonna have you go through. And if you don't go through this process yourself, you're not gonna get no success. It doesn't matter what the hell kind of course anybody even gives you. You could have, I don't know who's selling. Let's say for example, Daniel Fazio right now, or these people that are selling cold email courses. Like, when you go through their programs, they're gonna have you go through the same process. Nobody's gonna have. Yes, they're gonna have. Depending on the market you're gonna target, of course, they might already have a hypothesis that already works. But 9 times out of 10, even if they have a hypothesis that works, you're still gonna have to go through this process. Okay? You're gonna go through this process. You have to remove your emotions, and that's what the same process I'm gonna go through to scale and make $100,000 within the next couple of months. I'm speaking fast right now because I don't have time. I need to record another video. With that being said, man, this is the process. Stop wasting your time and thinking is all that kind of stuff. With that being said, this is Robin, and thank you.